Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you this amazing motorhome that truly feels like a home on wheels. This motorhome is designed for comfort, luxury, and long road trips without sacrificing everyday living essentials. It is perfect for family travel, solo adventures, and weekend getaways. Every corner of this motorhome is built with smart design and premium materials. From the exterior to the interior, everything looks modern and well-planned. Let's start with the bedroom. The bedroom is spacious and thoughtfully designed to give you a relaxing and cozy feeling after a long drive. It features a comfortable bed, soft lighting, and smart storage compartments for clothes and personal items. The mattress provides excellent support for a good night's sleep. Large windows bring in natural light and fresh air throughout the day. This space truly feels calm, private, and perfect for resting. Now let's move to the kitchen area. The kitchen is fully equipped and perfect for cooking on the go. It comes with a modern stove, microwave, refrigerator, and a clean sink. High-quality countertops add a premium touch to the kitchen design. There are plenty of cabinets and drawers to store utensils, groceries, and cookware. Whether you want a quick snack or a full meal, this kitchen makes cooking easy. Next is the bathroom, which is surprisingly well designed for a motorhome. The bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and wash basin, all neatly arranged to maximize space. Modern fittings give the bathroom a clean and stylish look. A proper ventilation system keeps the area fresh and odor-free. The shower space is comfortable enough for daily use during long trips. This bathroom offers both privacy and convenience on the road. Overall, this motorhome offers the perfect balance of luxury and practicality. From the comfortable bedroom to the functional kitchen and the smart bathroom layout, everything is well connected. The interior design focuses on comfort, efficiency, and ease of use. It is ideal for people who love road trips and outdoor adventures. This motorhome allows you to travel freely without compromising on comfort. It truly delivers a complete home-like experience on wheels. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this motorhome tour. If you love luxury vehicles and motorhomes, this channel is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Your support really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.